my darlings, welcome back to my channel, Dat Crafty Gamer, where I combine gaming and crafting all in one channel. I am Dat, or you can call me Heather. The name Dat comes from my gaming community. A lot of them gave me that nickname there. So it's up to you. You can call me Dat or Heather. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you find something you enjoy on the channel and will consider subscribing. And if you do decide to subscribe, I will have my social media links down below in case you would like to follow me there as well. So today I am actually doing a holiday frame as opposed to the other frames I have been doing, because I had like 3 ladies, or actually more like 4 now, maybe 5, that didn't write down what they wanted as far as how they would like it personalized. So I'm just giving them these frames. Now I'm going to explain here. This one, the red ribbon I got for this one was actually not the right color. It was more of a bright red, and the red that's actually in the frame is it's more of a burgundy. So I had to combine black and red to get this color, and I decided I'm not going to give this one to anyone, because what happened is I ran out of I didn't put enough of the mixture together, so it was hard to get this exact color again. So I had to actually paint the bows as well. So as you can see, this bow is like way darker than the other bows, and each one seemed to get a little darker, so I wasn't able to get the mixture to the exact same color the first time I did it when I got this one. So this one's not going to go to anyone, but I thought I'd show it to y'all anyway. And then this frame, I'm probably making like I said, I think I got to do 4 or 5 of these, because these ladies didn't put down any specifics about as far as what they like and they don't like or whatever. So I'm just making holiday frames for them. So if you'd like to see how this project is completed, please stick around for the video, and that's going to follow here shortly. If you like the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that as well. And I guess we'll get started on the project. Okay, so for this project I needed green paint, my painting tray, my paintbrush, and you guys will see later. Okay, so we had the 4 ribbons, the 4 bows, and then the ribbon. Now the ribbon I'd already cut up before I started, and I already measured it and cut the angles and all that. And then you'll see here in a few minutes that I did end up having to use black paint again, because this paint was too light and didn't really match what was in this pattern here. So we're gonna get ready to mix that up, and then I will show you what that looks like. So that was where I mixed the 2 colors together to get a darker color. And again with this I ended up running out, but it didn't matter so much, because I did get it close to the same color when I mixed it. So when I have to mix colors, I got to make sure I'm mixing enough colors for this stuff. So right now we're just going to paint the frame, and I do multiple coats, and I think I actually show that to you in the video, but for some reason I painted part of it, and then I went ahead and went through and put the ribbon on, but then I went back to painting. I don't know why I didn't just do all the painting right away. I think what it was is I was just waiting to see if I would need multiple coats, because I'm like, if I don't need multiple coats, I figured maybe it being as dark as it was, I thought maybe I wouldn't need the extra coats of paint on it. But in the end, I feel like I did need the extra coats of paint on there. And I actually like how the color turned out. And again, like I said, I mixed the black and the green together. Just a very slight, a little drop of the black in there to get these colors right. I am sad that the red frame didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to turn out. If I could just find the ribbon to match it, it would be better than having to paint the bows, because it's just ribbon that I folded into bows. But yeah, having to paint the bows was kind of a pain in the butt. That's why I decided I'll just keep the red one for myself. No big deal. And you see I ran out of the paint there, And it didn't look too bad, so I was kind of hesitant. I was like, am I going to repaint it or not? And for some reason, the right side looks darker than the left side, but they were pretty even. But you'll see here in a little bit that I will end up mixing up more. But we're about to go ahead and start putting on our ribbon. And I like these ribbon. I mean, I kind of wanted to add a little something else to the frame. Like on the sides where the green were, I was thinking maybe I could put like gold glitter or something, just to bring the ribbon and the green paint. I don't know. I just thought maybe it might look nicer, but I didn't want to buy a big thing of glitter just for this project. I'm not looking to like stockpile a bunch of stuff, you know, even though there's a good likelihood that I will use those items again. I just didn't really want to do that, honestly. So what I'm doing here is I'm just like gluing everything down with the glue gun. I mean, when I first started doing the picture frames, I mean, I was having a hard time with the hot glue, but I've kind of figured out better how to use it, I think, so it's not proving too difficult. And then the bows that I made there, I just watched a YouTube video to figure out how to make those, and I just thought they were really cute. But I'm probably going to watch a few more videos on doing bows, so I'm not doing the same bow on every project. But yeah, I mean, I feel like this project turned out pretty nice in the end. I guess if you guys stick around for that, you'll see that. And I did get my ribbon, and well, I guess they're both ribbon. I got all my ribbon. Everything I got actually is from Michael's, so yeah. And I'm actually making, I think I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, I'm going to be making like 4 of these. Now, if I could have found the right color ribbon, I would have liked to do more using the red colored holiday ribbon, but I didn't see a burgundy ribbon to make the bows out of, and I really don't want to paint the bows. I mean, it's kind of tacky. I'm gonna keep the one for myself. It's fine for me, but to give it to someone else, I didn't really feel right giving that to someone, so I'll just keep it for myself and maybe get a picture of the family over the holiday season. Maybe the boys in front of the Christmas tree or something or whatever, and I'll just put that in the frame. And plus, one of the frames broke too. Like, it was for one of the green frames that I'm doing here, because I actually did 2 of these that day that I did this video. But like the back of the frame, you know, the little piece that props up the picture frame, it broke off. I mean, it was just the metal part of it was just too stiff or something, then I couldn't open it, and I ended up breaking the cardboard that actually holds it up. I guess it's a type of cardboard. I don't know. But I love the pine cones. I thought they were really cute. I picked out 2 different ones, because 2 different holiday ribbons, because I wanted to make 2 different kinds, but I'm actually kind of sad that I didn't find more of a burgundy colored red for the other frame, the other ribbon. But I might use that ribbon to make something else, so that's not that big a deal. It's all good. And yeah, we're just putting the finishing touches on this frame here for the ribbon. Finish gluing it down. And then I believe we're going to go back into painting, because if you look at the left side, it actually just didn't seem, you could kind of see the wood grain through it. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that, but I could see it. So I definitely mixed some more paint, and I think it might have actually been a little darker than the first time around. If you guys are crafters and you have a lot of experience or enough experience with mixing paint, how do you make sure you get the same mixture each time? I'm just going to have to make sure I fill up the little tray as much as I can each time. That way I'm not having to remix all the time. I mean, I don't mind remixing, but then I can't guarantee that I'm going to have the same color each time, which isn't that big a deal, I guess. So we're going to do this, and now I don't know if I show it here, but I think I did at least 3 coats, and we're also going to do the outer edges of the frame as well. So yeah, this is our 3rd coat. But yeah, so we'll go and we'll do the outer edges where the ribbon is not located, just to finish it off. If I end up making these for like other customers, these are just for like co-workers and stuff. So, but yeah, if I end up doing frames for other people, I'll probably end up painting the whole thing, front and back. I mean, I like the finished look by doing the front and back, but I'm not that concerned about it with these specific projects. And I think even for myself, if someone was doing these for me, I wouldn't ask them to do the back. It just, I mean, it's not necessary unless you're going to have it in a location where someone's actually going to look at the back of it. But usually you have your picture frames on a counter or something, or you know, something where the back is facing a wall or something, so it's not usually that big a deal. We're going to finish up this. So these edges really, you know, since they're so small, they didn't need too much paint. I've been having a lot of fun with making these, to be honest. I don't know. I'm hoping I can keep it up. I'm hoping that I can find people that would be interested in me doing more for other people, because I can't just make frames just to make them. Yeah, I did that a lot with my crochet stuff. I would just crochet things and it would just sit in my closet, and I might actually try selling stuff on Etsy. I haven't ever done that, but I might give it a go. Some of the stuff I think people would actually buy, and I've been checking out the prices that people put up there, but I don't know a lot about Etsy, so I have to do some research on how that works. I guess they take a percentage and whatnot. So, but I love these bows. They were so cute. If you guys want to know what video I watched to learn how to do bows, I can put that link in the description. You guys just comment below and I can show you that. Now the lady that was showing how to do the bow, she actually had a bow machine too, a bow maker or something that allows her to, I guess, I don't know if she just attaches it to it and it makes it easier to make them. But anyway, we are about done with this project. I'm so happy with how it looks. I just wish the red one had turned out just as good. I hope y'all liked it too. Let me know what you think of the project down below in the comments. Okay, my darlings, how are you? If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for staying that long. I truly appreciate it. If you like the project, please don't forget to thumbs up and comment below, letting me know what you think of the project. And yeah, this is the finished project. I think it looks really good. Now, it's going to be kind of hard to match it perfectly to the ribbon because of the fact that the ribbon does have a little bit of a shine to it, and the paint is more of a matte color, so, but I still think it looks really nice. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. And yeah, I hope y'all liked it, and if you would like, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. And I hope I catch y'all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.